Hey learners, welcome back. Today let's learn how Lighthouse ERP helps businesses make smart decisions using live data, MIS, and powerful reports. As a job aspirant or student, this gives you a glimpse into how modern companies manage huge amounts of data, real-time data at source. Every transaction in production, sales, inventory, or finance is recorded live in different modules of Lighthouse ERP. No delays, no errors. Just to understand, think of this like Google Docs where everything updates instantly. For students, it's a great example of data synchronization in action. Smart MIS and info buttons. MIS stands for Management Information Systems, something you'll study in business or IT courses. Lighthouse ERP offers ready-made reports with filters, plus info buttons that let users dive deeper into the data without changing screens. Super handy for quick decision making. Integrated dashboards and report engine. Lighthouse ERP has built-in dashboards and a powerful report generator. You can think of this like a smart version of Excel, and Tableau users can get instant overviews or deep insights in just a few clicks. Power BI integration. For students interested in data science or business analytics, Power BI is a game changer. Lighthouse ERP integrates with it, helping companies turn raw data into cool charts, graphs, and insights. That's how real businesses visualize trends. In short, Lighthouse ERP shows you how businesses turn raw data into real decisions quickly, clearly, and accurately. Next, we'll see how it's customized for different industries.